Oh, thank you for coming to our school, Woodfield Middle School. We're going to be learning about fractions today. The parts that you will be learning, what is a part of a whole? We're going to be using critical thinking skills, using communication skills, and solving equations. The numerator is the number on top. The denominator is the number on the bottom. Example, when we look at 1/2, this is the numerator. This is the number that is on top, and this is the denominator, the number that is on the bottom. And that's how it is for each one of the fractions. Now you will be better fraction solvers once we learn these examples. The part that is colored in is 1/2 of the circle. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. Over here, we have 4 parts of a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your numerator, and this is your denominator. Our next illustration, we have 1/3. 1, 2, 3. And here, lastly, we have 1/8 of a circle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is your numerator, and this is your denominator at the bottom. Examples, more examples, just so you can master your fractions. 1/2 is the top. 1/3, 1, 2, 3. And 2/3, which is colored in yellow. 1, 2, numerator, denominator at the bottom. 1/4, which is colored in blue, numerator and denominator. And here we have 2/4, which is colored in orange. And as we move on, 1/6 of the circle, which is colored in, which is yellow. And here, purple for the last one, 1/8. Now, this is your time to participate. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to do problems 1 through 4. But first, we're going to start problem 1 together. We have a circle here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. And how many of the 8 slices are colored in? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And which one of the fractions do we want to circle as the correct one? The one that has 4 for the numerator and 8 for the denominator. Now you will try problem number 2, 3, and 4 on your own. And I'll give you a couple seconds. Okay, so are we ready to solve? Yes. We have 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. How many do we have colored in? 1. So which answer did you circle? You should have circled the 1, 4. 1 for the numerator and 3 for the denominator, because we only have 1 part that is green, shaded in. Okay, let's go to number 3. How many parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many do we have shaded in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you should have circled 5, 6. And so on the last one, we have 6 parts. And how many do we have shaded in? 3. So you should have 3, 6. Now this is more work, more practice, more work. This will make you better solvers in fractions. How many slices we have? We have a half, 1 side, 2 sides. How many slices we have here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many we have here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many we have here at the bottom? 1/3, exactly. Here, 1/5, because that's how many slices we have. And how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1/7. Let's Way past me. And more fractions. 1/3, how many parts we have colored in? 2. So our answer would be 2/3. Here we have 3, 6, 9. How many we have shaded in? 6/9. That's our answer. How many squares we have? 4. How many we have shaded in? 3. 3/4 would be the answer. Next one, how many squares? 4. How many are shaded in? 1/4. That's what your answer would be. And again, how many rectangles? 4. How many are shaded in? 1/4. The next one, 2. How many are shaded in? 1/2. The last row, we have 4 squares. How many are shaded in? 2. So our answer would be 2/4. Our next to the last one, we have 4 rectangles. How many are shaded in? 3. 3/4. And lastly, we have 9 squares. And how many are shaded in? 3/9. And here's my references. Thank you. Keep going. Thank you for coming to the Woodfield Middle School. So sorry.